Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you how to put an animated phone UI made in After Effects directly into 3D animated smartphone render in Blender. There is actually a clean way to connect Blender and After Effects directly using JSX export. And in this video I'll show you how to do it exactly and how to fix the two annoying problems that will probably happen to you. So here was the situation. I animated 3D smartphone in Blender, but the screen animation, UI motion, transitions was done in After Effects. Now, what we should do is take the exact 3D movement from Blender and apply it to this composition in After Effects. So the animated screen perfectly sticks to the phone, and here is how we can do it. Inside Blender, there is an option to export transform data directly to After Effects. And here is how. Go to File, then Export, Adobe After Effects. Before exporting and saving the file, make sure you select Selected Only to export just the transform data of that animated node. So what this does, it creates a JavaScript file that contains camera data, object transform data, position, rotation, scale, keyframes, basically all the movement information. Save that file somewhere accessible. And now we move to After Effects. In After Effects, go to the top menu, File, Script, and then Run Script File. Select your exported JSX file. After Effects will automatically generate a camera, null objects, 3D layers, all the keyframe data of Blender. Now your 3D phone movement exists inside After Effects. At this point, you can parent your screen animation composition to the correct null object, but you probably face two problems. Let's fix them. First issue, the Z direction feels wrong. In Blender, the Z axis goes up and down. In After Effects, the Z axis goes forward and backward into the screen. So when you import the transform data, the movement may look incorrect or flipped. The fix is simple. Go to the Z rotation and adjust the direction manually. Sometimes you may need to invert values, sometimes rotate 90 degrees depending on orientation. This happens because Blender and After Effects use different coordination systems. Once adjusted, your movement will align correctly. The second issue is now more subtle. You import your rendered PNG sequence and something feels off. There is a delay. The animation doesn't perfectly match the transform data. Why? The frame rate mismatch. Even if you worked in Blender at 24 FPS and your After Effects composition is 24 FPS, After Effects might import your image sequence at 30 FPS by default. That creates timing problem, and here is how to fix it. In the project panel, right-click your image sequence, interrupt footage, main. Change frame rate to 24 FPS or whatever you used in Blender. Now everything syncs perfectly. And lastly, for the screen mask, I actually went back to Blender and rendered separated paths, just a flat image of the phone screen. And then I just used this image inside After Effects as a mask. This way, the mask perfectly matches the phone perspective. If this helped you, leave a like, it really supports the channel. And if you want more Blender and After Effects workflow tutorials, subscribe. And let me know in the comment, does that work for you? See you in the next one.